Hello, nature lovers and adventurers. Welcome to this exciting video. Today, we're taking a journey to one of the most incredible rivers in the world, the Amazon River. Not only is it one of the longest rivers on Earth, but it also boasts unmatched biodiversity and unique cultures. From its source in the Andes Mountains to its vast mouth at the Atlantic Ocean, this river is full of fascinating facts that you probably haven't heard before. So, stick around until the end. We guarantee you'll be amazed. The Amazon River at a glance. The Amazon River, located in South America, is the second longest river in the world, stretching about 6,400 kilometers, 4,000 miles. It originates in the Andes Mountains in Peru and flows through Brazil, Colombia, and several other countries before emptying into the Atlantic Ocean. Here's something incredible. The Amazon River has over 1,100 tributaries, and its drainage basin covers approximately 7 million square kilometers, 2.7 million square miles. The Amazon River discharges about 20% of the world's freshwater into the oceans. During the rainy season, its width can expand to 48 kilometers, 30 miles. The river is so vast that no bridges have been built across its main section. Unmatched biodiversity. The Amazon River and the surrounding rainforest are home to one of the most diverse ecosystems on Earth. It hosts over 3,000 species of fish, 400 species of mammals, and tens of thousands of plant species. From pink river dolphins to jaguars and vibrant macaws, the Amazon is teeming with life. Many of these species can't be found anywhere else in the world. Piranhas, famous for their sharp teeth and aggressive behavior, live in the Amazon's waters. The Amazon's pink river dolphins are the only freshwater dolphins in the world. There are over 16,000 tree species in the Amazon rainforest. Life alongside the Amazon. The Amazon River isn't just crucial for wildlife, it's also home to millions of people. Over 30 million people live in the Amazon basin, including indigenous tribes who have thrived here for centuries. These communities rely on the river for transportation, fishing, and drinking water. Some tribes still live with minimal contact with the outside world, preserving their ancient traditions. Some Amazonian tribes have little to no contact with the modern world. The Amazon River plays a key role in the local economy, particularly in fishing and tourism. Indigenous tribes use Amazonian plants for medicinal purposes, some of which have inspired modern medicines. Environmental challenges. Unfortunately, the Amazon River and its surrounding rainforest face serious environmental threats. Deforestation, water pollution, and climate change are putting this unique ecosystem at risk. Many organizations are working to protect the Amazon, but there's still a lot to be done to preserve this natural wonder for future generations. Every year, thousands of hectares of Amazon rainforest are lost due to deforestation. Mercury pollution from illegal gold mining is contaminating the river. Conservation projects, such as national parks, play a crucial role in protecting the Amazon. Fascinating Amazon River facts. Let's dive into some mind-blowing facts about the Amazon River. The river is so powerful that its freshwater flows into the ocean up to 160 kilometers, 100 miles, offshore. The Amazon is home to the world's largest snake, the green anaconda, and the largest freshwater fish, the giant arapaima. During the rainy season, the river's water flow can reach an astonishing 300,000 cubic meters per second. The Amazon has over 3,000 fish species, including electric fish. Some Amazonian fish can walk on land to travel between bodies of water. The Amazon rainforest is often called the lungs of the earth because it produces so much oxygen. Conclusion and farewell. That's a wrap for this amazing journey through the Amazon River. We hope you enjoyed these incredible facts and learned something new. The Amazon is not just a river, it's a world of wonders, full of life and mystery. If you liked this video, don't forget to share it with your friends and subscribe for more fascinating content. See you in the next video. Goodbye.